Your brand new Aussie-made shutters will arrive bubble-wrapped and labelled with your job name and some information for which parts apply to which window opening. Unwrap your frames one opening at a time, and if you have any T-posts in the opening, you can take the screws out of your kit bag. Your frames will be labelled with pencil inside each corner, so you can lay them out on the floor ready for assembly. The hinge frames will always be at your left and right sides, and if you do have any T-posts, you can lay them in position. The corners are mitered and will have Hoffman keys fitted. Slide all four corners together. If you have a T-post, you'll find a pre-drilled hole in the top and bottom frames. You can feed a screw through and line it up with the pre-drilled hole in the T-post. Complete this process with any remaining T-post fixing points. Then your frame is ready to install on the window. It helps if you drill a pilot hole while the frame is still laying flat and start a screw to suit your application. Now lift your frame up and shuffle it into place. Then fix off using the screw you just positioned on the floor. Take this opportunity to check your frame is level and square before proceeding. Then, once you're happy, add more fixings around the opening until secure. Then unwrap your panels and lift them into place. You'll need a pin from your kit bag for each hinge on the panel. Once your pins are in, your panels are hung and your install is complete. If this were a face-fit install, the process is the same, but you fix through the frame instead of the reveal and push in the front strip to hide the screw heads. Your Aussie-made shutters are ready to enjoy all year round.